This is the Nova Signature Swing Setup Guide. To get started, remove your Nova Signature from the box. Ensure you have all the parts that are shown on screen. To start, place both legs over each side of the base. Ensure the tabs are fully inserted into the legs. Next, insert and tighten the provided screws into the legs' screw holes. Now you can insert the swing into the assembled base. Set the swing to lock to keep it stationary. Switch to unlock before starting motion. To install the canopy, clip the mounting hooks to both sides of the seat frame. Pull the canopy until it is fully extended. Secure the toys to the hooks located inside the canopy. To install the netting, simply zip it onto the canopy and ensure it is fully extended down to the swing's base. Connect the power cord and plug in to turn it on. To set up Bluetooth, select Nova Signature on your Bluetooth-enabled device, and it will announce when your device is connected. To play music from a flash drive or MP3 player, plug it into the port at the back of the swing base. Then press the music button to switch between preset and USB. All swing settings can be adjusted using the control panel on the swing or using the included remote control for your convenience. With that, your Nova Signature is assembled and ready to be used. For more information regarding assembly and operating, please refer to the provided instruction sheet.